We got the head strap today on the GoPro. Chino's gonna be wearing it, but he wants me to start his car. So I'm gonna get a shot of the GoPro with this. Today's video is pretty much just gonna be like some POV action. We're gonna work on rollers and stuff like that.
Excuse the dirty car. There's really no point in washing it this time of year.
Hopefully this angle is good too. We haven't really ever tested this head strap. Let's get a cold start. And it's definitely cold out here.
We're about to make a video game. We're about to make a video.
You look like the Avatar.
Avatar.
With the little arrow.
By the way, guys, check out Diego's mini mullet, small mullet that he's starting. What do you guys think?
Hey,
Hey,
shout out to Ambars though.
It looks
but then
sick,
we got
bro.
Wombo too. But hey, no, like I was
Wombo's over
telling him, I was like, dude, we should record his car because from Lake 2O, like it looked different. And then he like finished his setup. I feel like
know with the layers and everything. So we should do a video on that, you know.
All right, give me a good luck kiss. Damn, we can't play music.
I know. You don't want to get that copyright. Hey, does the bags actually like hella good too, or what? Like the suspension, or?
Yeah, honestly, I like it. Like it, in my opinion, I feel like it's like pretty, like better than stock. I feel like stock was hella stiff.
Yeah.
You know. Like especially on like bumps and stuff, like I feel like this absorbs it better.
Or I feel like my coils hella suck because of my headlights, so it's not fun driving. Right?
Yeah, but that's gonna change soon.
I know, dude. Just hella broke.
I feel it, bro. Same. I haven't done anything in days. Roll the window down a little bit. Get some sounds or what?
Hey, Moto, so what do you think about the race?
About what?
About the race?
Fuck, dude. That was dope. That was hella dope. Like, for a stock SUV, dude, that thing is quick. And it just shows how shitty STIs are. You know, like slow.
I feel like it was both like. It was like, cause I was in both of them. I mean, no, I was in yours.
Yeah.
But I just feel, how can I explain it? I came out with a different perspective because I thought it was the opposite. That you were gonna beat him on the launch.
Yeah.
And then he was gonna beat you, like when you guys are at the straight.
No, honestly, I think. Like dude, I'm gonna keep saying it, bro. Like my launches were ass, dude. Like.
Let's get it. I don't want to get pulled over.
Why not?
Bro, you're gonna fit.
That'd be a sick ass video, bro.
Actually, look for sure.
Oh, launch right now or what?
Fucking do it. If you have the confidence, I say send, dude.
This red light was sent from the car gods.
I'm roasting right now.
Fried my clutch.
Yeah, that was pretty dope though.
Dude, I fried the. This Dodge wants to smoke. I think the only difference is I have a fuel pump and he still has the stock fuel pump. I think that's the only difference. And his was tuned like at elevation. Mine was tuned in, his was in Reno, mine was in
Right?
Auburn, yeah. You know which road is pretty sick too?
Yeah.
Like going to Gardnerville?
This one's snowed too in the fall?
Yeah, hell yeah. Honestly, you want to go straight to Cave Rock or you want to go like towards like Incline?
What do you
That's a good ass drive too.
Let's do it.
But no, well, you pass Cave Rock and then
So we pass Cave Rock and then we merge on.
yeah,
Yeah. I'm actually down.
that dude. I like that road.
I'm down.
Nice little pop there,
Sad.
dude. I love that. This is where I got pulled over when I was doing 90 in a 45 and walked away.
Oh, that's when you told us, remember?
Yeah. I don't know how I got away, but
But you got away.
dude, I shit myself. Nice little view of the lake right here. So when are you gonna do the suspension work on your car?
Trying to save up, dude, just cause like COVID.
Yeah,
That shit fucked me up with money.
yeah, everyone, dude.
I'm just trying to save up like a rack and then just get it done, you know.
Yeah,
And then just I told Danny I want to get that done and then just do maintenance like on my oils.
yeah.
And then the flares, dude. But the flares are gonna be last, just cause I feel like I don't have as much fun putting on the flares compared when I put like shit like this.
Yeah,
on the car. Like you can
yeah.
actually feel the difference, like putting your rear sway, your end links, and all that. This is like a massage car.
Never fails. Should we race this Tesla or what? Oh, they don't want the smoke.
Hole against Wommel's car. Him with his new block. Who would take it?
We raced the other, when he got it back, coming back from Reno,
Yeah.
and I beat him, but he said his car wasn't like running right, and low-key like mine wasn't either. I think on paper he wins, and he probably would win, honestly, but I think it'd be close.
Yeah.
I think it'd be a good one,
Yeah. Okay, I want to see that.
like if his car's running right. Because I think when I beat him, or I don't think I even beat him, I think it was just like hella close. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta see that motor low key.
Yeah, that'd be dope. I feel like Ed should, cause Ed's faster than me.
I want to see that one too.
Yeah.